Hi, I'm Dayna and I'm here to show you my demonstration for machine condition monitoring. So in this demonstration, the entire point of it is to show all the different options that you have for machine condition monitoring. So if an engineer has a full factory and they want to make sure all of their machines are healthy, they're going to want to always have vibration and speed always being monitored to make sure that there's no rapid changes that would detect a machine fault. So in this demonstration we have this machine fault simulator here. This creates data that would be basically typical for a machine that's ready to fault. So we're collecting that data using accelerometers for vibrations as well as proximity probes, and we're also using a tachometer, which you use a tachometer to measure the speed of a machine. So then we're taking all that data and it's being collected using a few different devices. So we have a WSN, a C-RIO, and a USB DAC device. So the way that the WSN works is it grabs the data and then it's able to Wi-Fi the data over to a gateway. So then that gateway is able to run VIs on it because it has a processor on it. So you're able to do whatever you want to do with that data right here. You would want to use this in a case where you have a big factory and you want to monitor a bunch of machines throughout the factory and make sure that they're all healthy at the same time and have all the data be taken into a central gateway. So you're able to monitor the whole factory at the same time, all using Wi-Fi connections. The C-RIO, the C-RIO has processing power as well, but it's able to, using the modules, it's able to take all the data right here. It's a very durable device, so it's great for if you have a machine that's going to be running for a very long time, you want to consistently monitor it, and you can just mount it in there and it'll last there for a very long time. So this is the USB DAC, and it's a really cool device. You can just insert a module right there, and then with a USB connection you can connect this to anything. So in this case we're using an HP slate, and so this one is really portable. So if you're walking around a factory and you want to test out a whole bunch of machines, it's really useful. So in this demonstration, what we have is all of these devices are communicating with the PXI. So they're all sending something called UDP signals to the PXI over a network, and the PXI gets those signals. Those signals tell the PXI how many files are available that they've taken in from the machine fault simulator, and then it will FTP those files over. So it will actually transfer those files over to the PXI. So then on the PXI we have a web service, and those web services are being deployed in something called WebUI. So WebUI displays all the analyzed data so that the user can select what data they want to see and be able to understand all the things that are happening in the different machines that they're monitoring. So the way WebUI works is it's deployed onto the network, so you're able to access it from any computer that's on the network. So it's a really useful device when you're not able to always come back to your central computer and you want that sort of convenience. So that's about it for the demonstration. So thank you for listening.